Hi everyone, this is Heather with Life with Heather G, and I am here because I have RocksBox. If you don't know what RocksBox is, it's a subscription where you pay $21 a month and you get to rent the jewelry. If you want to purchase anything in the box that they give you, you can use the $21 credit towards that purchase. But other than that, you can just like send this back and get another set to wear. So that's kind of cool because it's really good high-end brands. Like this one that I wear all the time is the Kendra Scott. And I really like her jewelry. And so what I have in here, they have one that they pick out for you, but if you don't like it, you can switch pieces out if you want to on the website. And I did do that because they didn't pick me something that wasn't good, so I went ahead and swapped all 3 pieces out for what I liked, and they happen to all be Kendra Scott. Anyway, so in the box they have a card that says "But First Jewelry," and that's cute. And then it has your pieces in there with the prices, and it tells you exactly what to do and how to use your $21 credit. It says "Welcome to the family." So this is my first box, so I've never gotten it before, so I'm still trying to feel it out. What to expect. It has pro tips, and there's like different tiers that you can be. Like after you spend $50, you get to the rose gold, which makes you can like get 5%, 10%, or 20% off every purchase. And then common questions and a little bit about them. So it gives you everything you need to know in the pamphlets. And this is the jewelry care card. A little artwork, and then it has the jewelry care on the back, how you take care of it. Anyway, so the inside is this. I wanted so badly to open this and wear it last night, but I did not because I was waiting. Has a little sticker there. And then they each come in. And see, Kendra Scott always has this bag. I mean, this is the bag, everything that I bought from her, it has that in there. So let's go ahead and see what this one is. Oh, this is the earrings, I think. Oh yes. Anyways, the first one are these Kendra Scott beautiful earrings. And that definitely looks like something I would wear. I love these dangly type of earrings. So those are pretty. And I know Kendra Scott stuff is all gold plated. So this is $48 for that. I'm gonna go ahead and drop them back in here. And go to the next piece. And like I said, they're all in these bags. Okay, the other ones are all, okay. These really cute studs. I picked these because I thought they would be really cute for Valentine's Day. In a really pretty color, sky blue. Also from Kendra Scott, and also $48. Oh. I like the idea of borrowing jewelry because I don't like buying cheap jewelry. But sometimes you can't afford like several pieces of good jewelry. So you can easily send these back and get more to use. And you don't have to purchase any of them, and you can keep them as long as you want. You do lose the $21 credit if you don't purchase anything though, which that would be like the rental fee to rent. Oh my goodness. That is really pretty. And I always like their chains. Let me see here. Okay. And it's on both sides. So like, you know, both sides are the same. And I like the chain. See? So you can adjust it. Which the ones I have an extender on because I need a longer. These are kind of short on me. That's pretty. So yeah, I can wear this and I can send it back. and I can get another set of jewelry to wear. So if you're one that just wants nice jewelry to wear, oh, see how it's a little short on me. So I would wear an extender maybe, so I can extend it a little bit longer. Okay, so I have both on. You can see the earrings match. And this, I just thought it was like really pretty to wear for Valentine's Day. And it's Kendra Scott, so I really like that. And it is gold plated. It is a little bit of a short, this is a shorter necklace. So I could wear my extender and have it hang down a little lower if I wanted to. They're cute. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take these ones off. And I will be right back. I'll try on the last pair. Okay, I'm back, and I do have the Kendra Scott drop earrings. And I like these. I'm not sure if I would wear the heart ones all the time, but I definitely would get use out of these. And I do wear a lot of gold. So a lot of my jewelry is gold, not silver. Not that I'm opposed to wearing silver, I just tend to wear more gold and gravitate more towards gold. So I think I might keep these. I do have some credit. So my sister Candy at Crazy 8's Life signed up. So I did get $25 for her signing up. And then I have my $21, like the rental fee that you can use. So, and I also got $5 extra dollars if you did, like you have a little wish list. If you add 30 pieces to your wish list, they give you an extra $5. So I have like $56 in credit right now. So I could easily buy the earrings, they're $48. And then I can get a new box and wear that. And I can wear the necklace and these earrings even as long as I want and not buy anything. But I really like the earrings. So I think I might do that. And you can tell on my necklace, I have this extender that you can purchase from Kendra Scott. And it just makes it longer. Like normally it would be this size, and then this extender makes it a little bit longer. That way because I have a larger neck, that it drives me crazy if my necklaces are too short. So you've seen how short the other one was. This one can go down a little bit, where the other one was kind of up here, like right, below my neck here. This is a little bit longer, which I like. So yeah, you'll have to let me know what you think, and if you have RocksBox, and if you like RocksBox. I'm gonna try it for a couple months and see how I like it, and decide whether I wanna keep it or not as a monthly subscription. And we will let you know after I have tried it for a while if I like it. Anyways, go ahead and comment below on what piece you liked the best out of these 3 pieces. And I will talk to you next unboxing.